Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorials. Today we will learn how to create a quote using Magento 2 API. Generate access token using customer account. Create new post request and enter your store URL, along with this endpoint. Enter customer username and passwords. Then create a new request using this endpoint. Copy the token and paste in the authorization section as bearer token. A simple product requires a SKU, the quantity, and the quote ID. I will leave the code sample in the description. Digital product have the same requirements as simple product. Here I just need to change the SKU into digital product. As you can see, the products has already been added to the shopping cart. Beehexa. Connecting applications, automating processes,